How to add video link in your YouTube videos. Hi guys, in today's episode, I'll be showing you ways to add video link in your YouTube video. In order to begin with this following tutorial, open up a browser and then log in into your YouTube channel account or your studio page. So once you're logged in, go ahead and make sure that you've already pasted the link. So once you're on the studio page here, go ahead and open up the particular video. Also make sure that you've already copied the link. Once you open up the video, now scroll down right to the bottom, and in the bottom right hand side corner, you'll be able to find an option as cards. Once you tap on the cards button here, you need to first of all select the particular clip where you actually want to add the video. Once you've selected the particular ratio, go ahead and tap the link button from the top, and after that you need to go ahead and paste in the particular link where you actually want to add the link to, and then you've successfully added a link to your YouTube video. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.